Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can enable or disable your notifications in Facebook, that how you can control the notifications in Facebook. If you want to make your notifications on or off, you can also do that. So let's start. So first of all, what we need to do, we have to open the Facebook. So as you can see, I have already opened the Facebook. Now we have to click on this, and after clicking on this section, as you can see, this is the profile section. And now what we need to do, simply we have to click on the setting icon. So after clicking on the setting icon, as you can see, now these are the in the preference section, you can see there is written customize your experience on Facebook. We need to go in this section, and after going in this section, as you can see, there is an option for the notification. So you have to click on the notifications, and now you will get all the options here. Like if you want of the notification of the comment section, you have to click on this, and as you can see, as in a push email and SMS, if you want to disable it, you have to click on this, and now you will not get the comments notification. If you want to make it on, you can also do that, like the email and SMS. If you want to make it off, you can also do that. I'm gonna back. So as you can see, it has a reminder. If you want to off the reminder section, you can also do that. Update from the friends, you have to click on this. If you want to make it off, you can also do that. You have to click on this, and it will be off. So I'm going to back. So as you can see, it has a birthday. If you don't want to get the birthday notification, you can also do that. Simply you have to click on this, and after disabling this, you will not get the birthday notifications anymore. So in this way, you can control the notification section. You can make it on or make it off. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can control the notification section in Facebook. So see you guys in the next video.